G'day all, Chris from Built by Chris here with another Cool Tool Tuesday. Why do I have to do another Cool Tool Tuesday? But anyway, here I am doing this cool tool for this week. And I'm here to talk about the E-Base Magnetic Square. Why does it need to be magnetic? Well, I mean, if you're working on your table saw and you need to make sure your blade is 90 degrees to the tabletop, this sticks to it like glue, and you can then bring the blade up to it and it works like a charm. It's absolutely fantastic. Imagine for a minute that you're not sure if your table saw is at 90 degrees. So you go get your normal square, which everyone's got, and you're holding it there because you don't want it to move, and you're trying to crank the blade up and down or to your degree. You don't have to worry about that with this because it's got magnets. I mentioned the magnets before, it's got magnets. It sticks to anything except for wood. I mean, you can use it for a million other things. If you just got to mark a line on a piece of timber, it's always going to give you 90 degrees. You can use it for everything else. I'm not going to go into all of them right now. You're all capable of working that out for yourselves. But get one of these, they're perfect. So if you want more information on the E-Base Magnetic Square, click on the links below. There's going to be a lot of information down there for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because Timbercon love it when you do that. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.